Okay, so this is Bubba. In the morning, she's very, very lazy because she plays all night. So what I'm going to show you guys is what I call the crazy cat lady call. I got the Spartalicia. Lazy, lazy. And of course the Dino Wino. Okay. Let me show you guys what I do. Okay, watch this. It's the crazy cat lady call. Boo can't stand Dinah. Look, he's still so lazy. Big boy over there. For real, Spartacus? You're gonna put me on blast like that? Oh, wow. Wow, Spartacus. Big boy's not hungry because he ate most of his breakfast anyways. Okay, Spartalicia, none for you. None for you. Don't worry, Dino Alicia, we'll get you something. Now, with Dino, I've been trying to train him to hold the bone on his nose for as long as I can, but it doesn't always work. So, let's try this again. Okay, Dino. Blocks. Blocks. Okay, all right. 9. 9. No. Go. Yeah. Okay, Spartalicia, I don't know what's going on with you today, Bubba. Big boy must be full for the first time. Not the Bubba. The Bubba. Okay, you guys. Bye. What the?